Shorty. I don't know what this is, so I'm just up on YouTube looking up on stuff. My name is Jonathan Ivy from the last video. If I just really do something like this, wanna see the UFC ring? Alright, 1 second. Now I'm gonna show you. See this? You see this it right here, but it's not fixed. Watch me fix it. My bad. It's finished. You like it? Also got Rey Mysterio up in here. Yo! Well, I was looking in my mama's room, stalking on her. I'm gonna kill you dead. After me. I'm gonna turn this off for like 30 minutes. You dig? Yo, you. I'm a goofy goofer, yeah. You're a goofy goofer. We're all goofy goofers. Goofy goofer. That's how I sing. You dig? Yo.